Homeopathic system of medicine is a holistic approach. Who is sick, what is sickness, and what needs to be cured during a state of sickness? These three are vital questions. During case taking in homeopathy, we have to observe and analyze the sick person during sickness on three main levels. The three main levels are mental, emotional, and physical. These three levels are interconnected during a state of sickness. Whenever any problem or any disorder comes to strike any person, these three levels are affected mainly. If we have anything or any negative emotion going on our mind, when the negative emotion is staying unresolved for a longer period of time, what we observe is that after some time, some lag of time, that emotion travels into the physical body, creating one or the other kind of disorder. When the patient comes to the homeopathy physician, he or she uses certain words with body language, with gestures, and with other mental emotional traits. The classical homeopath sees a picture behind the picture. What is that which is making the person sick on various levels has to be probed at a very deeper and subtle level. How a homeopath does it, he observes the patient without at all interfering into the conversation going on when the patient is relating his or her case history. Minimum questions are asked, minimum interruptions are caused during case taking. Any emotion which is coming on the face of the person during case taking, relating his or her case, is observed and noted down very importantly. And further, when the remedy is selected, all the symptoms which a person is facing, all those disorders which are going inside the person on these three levels are understood at a very subtle level, and then an analysis is made which comes out with the constitutional remedy. And once that remedy is administered to the sick person, the cure happens on all these three disturbed levels. The person who is in a state of sickness finds that he or she is having a very good sleep now, have very good raised energy levels, is eating well, has good appetite, and can have an increased potential to work. So this is all which is possible through classical homeopathy and the radical cures which happen in our clinics when we take up the case with professional approach. Thank you for listening.